Find the sum of the first and natural number and hence find the sum of first 20 natural numbers. Solution. The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here the T1 equal to A equal to 1 and the distance is 1. Means 2 minus 1 is 1. The distance comes is 1 because the natural numbers. So we have to find it out the sum of the first n natural numbers. Means we have to find it out Sn equal to how much and hence find the sum of first 20 natural numbers. Means we have to find S20 equal to how much. So first we find Sn. The formula is for Sn is n upon 2 T1 plus Tn. Okay. So n upon 2, the T1 value is 1. Okay. Tn will take just n. Okay. So n upon 2. So we can instead of we write n plus 1. Okay, this is Sn formula. Now we will calculate S20. S20 is n upon 2 n plus 1. So n value is 20 upon 2 and n value is 20 plus 1. So 2 upon 20 is equal to 10. 10 out into 21. So 10 multiplied by 21 equal to 210. So S20 equal to 210. Start the question 8. The question is find the sum of the first n natural numbers, hence find the sum of the first 20 even natural numbers. The even natural numbers are are 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? Means here the T1 is T1A equal to 2 and the distance sum of 2. Means 4 minus 2 equal to 2. The distance of even the even numbers you know. The distance is of 2 only. And then we have to find it out Sn and S20 is how much. So we start with the formula is Sn equal to n upon 2 whole 2a plus n minus 1 t. Okay, n upon 2 a value is 2 plus n plus 1, sorry, is minus 1 and this d value is 2. So, n upon 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 2n minus 2. Okay, n upon 2 equal to 4 minus 2, 2 plus 2n. Here we take 2 common. Here 2 is common. We take 2 common and we instead add 1 plus n. Okay, we cancel 2 by 2. The value comes n upon 1 plus n. So Sn equal to 1 plus Sn equal to n 1 plus n. Now we have to calculate S20. S20 equal to the n value we know 20. 1 plus 20. Okay, so 20 multiplied by 21. 0 का 0, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So answer comes 420.